Yes, students, now we going to do some practicals of Pandas series. For the programming purpose, I am using the platform Anaconda. So this is the Anaconda Navigator. So you can create your program into Anaconda Navigator. You can easily install into your operating system to go to the Anaconda Navigator URL. So simple, in search engine you type Anaconda and you can from there you can install the Anaconda Navigator with latest version into your system. So there I am using the Anaconda Navigator for Pandas series, and once you have more a platform IDLE. You can also use the IDLE Python for the Python Pandas, but first you have to install the Pandas library, then you are able to execute the Pandas series program. So our Anaconda platform are opening, so wait for. So this is installing, we have to wait. Okay, now this application is loading. It will take the few minutes. Okay, so the Anaconda Navigator has been opened. So you can see there are different platforms. These all are very helpful application for the Python Pandas. So there I am using Jupyter. What Jupyter for the Python Pandas. So you simple click on the launch button. So our Jupyter notebook will be open within a minute. So its process is going on. Yes, the Python Jupyter has been opened. How you can do the programming? So you have to select the new option, and from there you will select the Python 3. Okay, so from this prompt you can do your program. So into the Python series we learn creating the homogeneous data, a list with homogeneous data. So how you can create a list with homogeneous data, you can see. Okay, so first you have to import. Clear? Basically there is no need of Python library, so directly you can create the list. So we can create any list without any library. So for creating the list, there I am creating the numeric value, so its data name is num. And which bracket you have to use? You have to use the square bracket. It will automatically open and close bracket will be created. So any value you can place. There I am placing 23, 25, 35, 46, 57, 68. So this list I have been created. And if you want to execute the output, so with the print statement you can execute the list of your variable. So in a num have these value, and how you can execute this program? So simple, click on the run button. So I am click on run button. This is the output. So it gives the output in the bottom of program. Clear? So this list has been created with homogeneous data because all data are numeric. Now create a list with heterogeneous data. This is our heterogeneous data of employee. You can create it. So I am creating the heterogeneous data, like I have an employee. So it's heterogeneous data. First, you have to use the employee name. There, Aditya is an employee name. Okay. Now, comma separator with, you have to simple separate the name with the commas, and then what, the age of employee, like age is 34, and which department, I think this is the means finance, any department you can assign, finance department, and what its salary, any salary you can assign. Okay, so this list has been created with heterogeneous data, and now you want to execute the record of employee. So simple, you have to use the print statement, and now click on the run button. So that list has been created with heterogeneous data. So I think you all clear how to create the list into the Python Jupyter. Next is, now we will create the dictionary. So you can also use the dictionary. There is a dictionary with Panda series. So now I am creating the marks list, and this is called the dictionary. So how you can create the marks list? So you can simple create the variable name like marks, and dictionary is always created with the curly bracket. So there is a curly bracket, and first you put the key, any key like name. We have put Aditi is a key, and its value means its marks like 450. Next key you have to create Vikas, okay, and its key is 350, means this is a value. Next record Pujan, and its marks is 460. So this is our dictionary. Clear? And there, this is the key value, key, and this is the key value. Now you want to execute the records of dictionary. So simple, you have to use the print statement with marks. Okay, so now execute this program. So simple, you can see there. So our dictionary has been created, and that can identify with marks variable. Next is the tuples. How you can create the tuples? This is the tuples, and this tuples you can easily create into the Python pandas also. So any variable name you can put there. Chaliye, number, we will put the number, and there is parenthesis, simple bracket you can use. Okay, and assign any value, 24, 56, 68, and 90. Okay, so this tuples has been created. Now you want to execute, so simple, you have to use the print statement, print, and what, variable name is number, and then you can able to execute. So this tuples has been created with heterogeneous data because there is only numeric value. Now next, uh, record of heterogeneous data in tuples. So heterogeneous data you can also create. How? So simple, we are creating the रिजल्ट, चलिए रिजल्ट नाम से क्रिएट कर लेते हैं. सो रिजल्ट, क्या रिजल्ट आएगा देख लेते हैं किसका, किसी का भी ले लेते हैं हम. यहाँ पे राज and its mark are 45, 67, 78. You can also use the float values also, 56.56, okay, and you can execute it. You can also execute this print and result, and now execute this. Okay, so that heterogeneous data you can also execute in tuples, so it is called the tuple. So there are, why it isn't heterogeneous, because there is string and float value also and numeric values also. So all the students remember, once you create all the program, read out properly, because if you not do the practice of these program, you're not able to do this. So always first create the program and also read its definition, because from this unit maximum practical parts will be come into your question paper. So I think you all understood how we can create the series. This is all the series. Clear? Uh, in the next class, we will learn more about the Python pandas.